Okay, we just drove down the road into the Bluffton Preserve, and exactly 3 miles in is this trailhead. It's Double Drop Falls trailhead. We haven't gone on it yet. We just kind of walked in the front of it here. We'll just take a look real quick. This, right off the bat, we're going down a hillside, sort of at an angle. And down here in the bottom, there's a waterfall, I think. That's what I understand. It hasn't rained in a while, so I doubt if the water's even flowing. I don't hear it. We'll go to right here, take a look at this rock. We're gonna take a look at this overlook. Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't even know if this is actually marked on the trail as a stop or whatever, but people have been going down to here. All right. Beautiful. What? Wow. I heard something down there. This is Sasquatch territory, I can tell you. There is such a thing. Oh, well, look at this. Okay, you gotta be easy with this. Just get to rolling down this and keep going. Look at that. Definitely have to come back down here when I'm feeling a little better. It's not a very high traffic area, and we were the only ones here when we got out, and then like 5 cars came up. Some of them went by and one parked. And they went hiking the other direction. But see how winded I am already? And I didn't even go down the trail hardly at all.
The hill.
Yeah, Double Drop Falls trailhead.
See.
And it's considered.
Wonder what this is.
Wow! Mr. Beast came here. All right, we're gonna go to the next trail.
Yeah.
Okay, now we drove all the way down to the Stone Roller Trailhead. And it looks to me like across the street over here, behind the truck, this trail goes along pretty flat for a little ways. We're gonna walk that and just see how it looks, and maybe walk this way a little ways. Let's go walk and see what this looks like. What do you say?
I say it sounds good.
Sounds good, huh?
Yeah.
Stone Roller Trail. Let's go for a walk. See, this is more my style.
Me too.
Well, actually, probably my style nowadays is riding. I wish we had a side-by-side.
Someday.
Someday. There's an old fence.
Wow.
I guess it's the leftover farm or homestead here. So this is 989 acres that was purchased to be a preserve from some families years ago by Southwestern Energy, BHP Billiton, and some other donors bought all of this to turn it into a wildlife preserve. It's located on the upper Little Red River watershed on the Archie Fork River. And they allow camping, fishing, hiking, but no ATVs, no horses. And I hope this is not too windy, but the wind just picked up right when we started this. Look at that. Little tall pines up here. We just wanted to do something different for this video. Get out of the house before it gets too cold. And show you what's around. Explore the Bluffton Creek Preserve. Bluffton. I keep saying Bluff Creek or Bluffton Creek because of the Bigfoot stuff. Because they got Bigfoot on the brain, I guess. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Yes, definitely. If you are someone who likes a flatter, maybe a short walk, I don't know. If you like a little bit less hill for your hike, this section of the Stone Roller Trail might be for you if you're in the area. It comes right off the main little road there. It's a parking area. You know, you don't have to walk too far. If you're like me, I just like getting out a little bit. I don't have to go very miles or anything. Right on?
Absolutely.
Just soak up some sun, feel the wind, the natures. See all those natures.
Too nice to stay inside.
Oop. Yeah, it is. Let's see what this marker says. So what we've got here is an intersection. The Bluff Line Loop and Stone Roller. The Bluff Line Loop goes that way, and that is my arch enemy, uphill. Right now, the downhill is looking pretty good, and it's not too downhill that you gotta go uphill coming back, but that way. High cliff area. Well, that's where I want to go, to the high cliff area. This may be the worst video ever.
Whatever. The view.
Oh yeah, it's a view. Still pretty flat. I think I know what the dotted line means though. It's that drop off right over there. See?
Yeah.
You don't want to get too close, but
Careful.
it drops off right there. And it goes, the trail is basically along the hill, the hot top of this cliff. But not too close. You're not worried about falling off. Man, that is cool. Look at this, look at this. It's a romantic little Flintstone couch. Somebody did some work on that. I heard something up there. Oh, check it out, a lizard. Oh, I can't see him on here. He looks a little cold. It's not cold today, but it's cooler.
Very nice for January, though.
Oh man, it is amazing for January. He's like, I mean, I'm wearing shorts right now. Shorts and a t-shirt, and while it's cool, it's not I don't have a chill. I want to say it's close to 70,
Amazing.
but so it's not cold. It's by any means. It's nice. I feel the warmth of the sun. Wow, kind of going up again.
Wow.
Yes, this
Pretty
is
view.
this is a pretty nice hike for. Yeah, I know. Missy's pointing out
Very nice.
the mountains over there. This is definitely some pretty scenery. Okay, I'll give you an example of. We're standing around the trail right here. This is level, and you can see how I'm shooting straight out here. Now I'll turn down, and you can see the bottom down there. Most of the leaves are gone, and that makes it nice for viewing the landscape. Look at this little bridge. It was a washway, I guess, during the rains.
We've never had a January like this.
I don't remember one.
Ever.
You know, we've been around. We've been in northern Arkansas for a long time.
For sure.
Her whole life,
Yes.
but
Never once like this.
it's pretty warm. But February is just around the corner. Just a couple more weeks, and we'll be into the deepest part of our winter. We'll see how it goes. I wish it would stay this way all through. I know there would be global catastrophe and panic, but it would be a nice day.
Yes.
It's nice weather for an apocalypse.
Yes.
Kind of looks like,
Very.
it almost looks like some kind of wheel, or I don't think, maybe mountain bikes. Maybe they'll allow mountain bikes, because that looks like a mountain bike trail or track. Look at this. Yeah, I forgot to mention mountain biking. I don't know. I guess there's no restriction on mountain bikes, even though there are some. In some places, they don't allow mountain bikes or e-bikes for sure. That looks like actually. It looks like some sort of mower tracks or something. Maybe they brought a cart down here to do maintenance on the trail.
We're getting today's walk in.
Yes, for sure.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's going to be a little better going back. We're not really getting our heart rate up or anything, but when we go back, we'll probably just kind of cruise along and walk like we're walking for exercise. But right now, we're just kind of poking. A lot of people don't like these cedars, but I do like them once they get this big.
That's what these are, huh?
Yeah, well, they're not really cedar, but they're actually a type of juniper, I think. And then everybody calls them cedars around. These are some kind of hedge, bushes, trees. And they really see these little berries right here. These hedges, they do take over. And these may have been planted here for the reason to hold the cliff side. That might be why they're here. Check out these rocks. It's kind of a curvy pattern in there. Really wild.
Mm-hmm.
See those fungus on there? Fungi.
Yeah.
Oh, they're everywhere. Well, we went to the end of our journey and we are on our way back now. This is just the perfect type of trail to walk for a low impact nature walk. It really is. It's the Stone Roller Trail. Well, we made it out alive. No, it wasn't that bad. It was really nice. It's a really nice. Whoa, look at those bluffs. We'll have to check out these bluffs. Stay right there. Don't go away. It's a different kind of video. We've been doing a lot of the small town exploring videos, which we will continue doing. But today I want to explore a little bit different of an area for you guys. If you like it, put it in the comments and tell us, and we'll do a lot more if we can.
Thanks for joining us. If you'd like, please subscribe, comment, and share with others.
Yep. Thanks a lot. We appreciate it. We'll see you again Sunday.
Bye.
Bye.